Hello everyone, my name is Apoorv Yadav from batch number 7, serial number 1360. This is a video presentation on difference between searching and sorting algorithms. So without any further ado, let's begin with our session. Now what are sorting algorithms? Sorting algorithm is used to rearrange a given array or list elements according to a comparison operator on the elements. The comparison operator is used to decide the new order of elements in respective data structure. There are two different categories in sorting. They are internal sorting. When all data is placed in memory, then sorting is called internal sorting. External sorting: when all the data needs to be sorted cannot be placed in memory at time, the sorting is called external sorting. External sorting is used for massive amount of data, merge, sort, and its variations are typically used for external sorting. Some external storage like hard disk, CD, etc. is used for external storage. Now this is an example of unsorted array which is sorted using quicksort. You can see that we take two elements at a time and then sort them. We get this array in sorted manner. Now let's see what are searching algorithms. Searching algorithms are designed to check for an element or retrieve an element from any data structure where it is sorted. Based on the type of search operation, these algorithms are generally classified into two categories. Sequential search: in this, the list of array is traversed sequentially and every element is checked. For example, linear search. Next, interval search. These algorithms are specifically designed for searching in sorted data structures. These type of searching algorithms are much more efficient than linear search as they are repeatedly target the center of the search structure and divide the search space in half. For example, binary search. Now let's see an example of linear search. We will find 20 through linear search in this number of arrays. we go we do the traversal until we get 20. As you can see, we jump from 0 index to 6th index until we get 20. This is how we use linear search. Now let's see how we can use binary search. We will use binary search to find 23 in the list of number of arrays. So we use binary search to find 23. First we find the middle element. It should be provided that the array is in sorted array. So the middle element is 16, which is less than 23. So the element 23 will be in the second half. Next, we find the middle element of 16 and 91, which is 56. 56 is greater than 23. So the 23 will be on its left. Next, the middle element is 23, which is the element we want to find. Hence, we get 23. This is the procedure for binary search. Now let's see the difference between searching and sorting algorithms. Searching algorithms are designed to retrieve an element from any data structure where it is used. Sorting algorithm is used to arrange data of list or array into specific order. These algorithms are generally classified into sequential search and interval search. These sorting algorithms are used in categories in sorting. These are internal and external sorting. Searching algorithms: there is no stable and unstable searching algorithms. But in sorting algorithms, bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, etc. are stable sorting algorithms, whereas quick sort, heap sort, etc. are unstable sorting algorithms. The linear search and binary search are examples of searching algorithms. Bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, merge sort, quick sort, etc. are examples of sorting algorithms. The worst-case time complexity of searching algorithms is big O of n, and the worst-case time complexity of sorting algorithms like bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, and quick sort is big O of n square. At last, I would like to say thank you, and I hope you got some insight about the difference between searching and sorting algorithms. Thank you.